first graders. We will talk about our vocabulary words right now. There's going to be 3 vocabulary words that we are going to go over, and these are the vocabulary words that you'll see the next couple weeks in your stories. The first one is flexible. If a person is flexible, they're really good at doing stretches. Like my daughter, Allie, is the most flexible person I know. Did you want to show them that other stretch you can do too? She's been taking dance a long time, so she can do a lot of really cool poses and stretches. So that's what it means if somebody is flexible. It also can mean that a person is very easy to work with. They can change, like their schedule can change, and they don't worry much about it. So let's say I'm planning on taking Allie to a movie, and then last minute our plans have to change. She's flexible, and she would be like, that's okay if our plans change. So that's another way to be flexible, is to get along with people and be agreeable. Now, the next vocabulary word I want to talk to you about is attract. You can see here this bee is attracted to the flower. And insects like this, lots of times you'll see them on flowers. So I also have an example I want to show you with magnets. You'll see that I have 2 magnets and they attract to each other. They pull towards each other. So that's what it means to attract, is that they want to be together. And Allie has some smaller ones too. You can see how they attract to each other. So that's the word attract. And then the last one is guide. So you can have a person show you around, and they can be your guide. Like if I go to another city, I might go on a tour of the city to see what the city has. Like when I went to Paris with Mr. Leonard, we had a guide show us around the city so that we wouldn't get lost. So a guide can be very helpful. In the picture I showed you, it looks like they're in a forest and they have a guide showing them around the forest so they don't get lost. And a guide can also teach you about whatever place you're in. They can tell you what it's like, the history of the place. So it's really great to have a guide who knows a lot of information and can show you around a little bit. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye. Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Sparky.